Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. We are back with one more top 10 apps video, and in this video, we will show you the 10 best apps you should check out this month on your Android device. And like always, there are a lot of promo codes to give away in this video, so do watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's begin with our today's video, the top 10 apps of the month. And as usual, we will show the apps in random order. So the first app we have in our list is the Cleany. Cleany is a hand sanitizing reminder app. Now as we all know that mask and sanitizing our hands is must these days, and Cleany reminds you to keep your hands clean. The interface of the app is really simple. Just put a start time and the end time and then choose the interval after which you want the hand sanitizing reminder. And that's it. Now you will start getting reminders after a certain time for the rest of the day. You can also check the history here and also set the reminder tone as well. Overall, Cleany is a must-have app these days, and definitely download this one in your phone and keep sanitizing your hands. The next app we have in our list is the Trendy. Trendy helps you to find the trending topics, search headlines, and see the current social media trends. You can see the trending topics based on your country, date and time. This app is really useful for creators like me as well as for bloggers to keep up with the current trends. The interface of the app is really simple, and here you just need to choose the country, set the days, and that's it. Now you will see these bubbles with the trending topic and category here. And when you tap on a bubble, you can see the short detail about the topic, number of searches, and why it is trending. Trendy is 100% free and a very useful app to keep yourself up to date about the current trending topics. And guys, there is also a pro version which will allow you to search through a wider time span of 30 days. And for that, we have 50 promo codes. And if you need one, then follow us on Instagram right now, and there we will be posting stories during this weekend which will have promo codes. So hurry up and follow us on Instagram right now. The next app we have in our list is the Stellarium. Stellarium is a free planetarium app that shows you exactly what you see when you look up these stars. With this app, you can identify stars, constellations, planets, comets, and even satellites in real time. Stellarium allows you to view an accurate night sky simulation of stars and planets for any day, time and location. With this app, you can also track the artificial satellites and also the International Space Station. You can also zoom on realistic looking Milky Way and the other deep sky objects. The app also allows you to know about the space objects and its detailed introduction. In the free version, you can see the objects as faint as magnitude 8, but if you upgrade to the pro version, you get the magnitude 22, which is really impressive. And apart from that, you can zoom almost without the limits on high resolution images of deep sky. And for this, we have 10 promo codes which we will be posting in the stories later today on Instagram. So if you like this app and want the pro version for free, then follow us on Instagram right now. Next app we have in our list is the My Data Manager. My Data Manager is an old app, and I was looking for a data manager app by which I can track my daily mobile data usage, and I find this app really useful. With this app, you can take control of your mobile data usage, and here you need to enter your daily or monthly quota, and it also shows you a projection based on your usage. In the app, you can also see the apps in your phone which are consuming more data. Apart from the mobile data, you can also track your Wi-Fi and roaming data usage. Now the best part about this app is that you can choose or recharge your mobile data plan by looking at your historical data consumption. You also get a notification which shows you the data consumption of your current day. Overall, My Data Manager is a wonderful app which I highly recommend you on your Android device. So do check it out. Next up is the Your Slice. Your Slice is one more smart digital solution for a healthy digital life. It helps you to stay focused and boost your productivity. Whether you're a student or a professional and wants to reduce your mobile usage, then this is the app you should download. Your Slice offers a unique concept that allows you to create time slices for a specific group of apps, and then you can use them only in that particular time. Your Slice is not just an app blocker, but a distraction blocker as well, and that will help you to reduce your phone usage by confining your usage of the apps that you use most. In the free version, you can create slices with up to 5 apps and you get the restriction for the slices. But in the pro version, you get unlimited slices and there is no app number restriction. And for this as well, the developer was kind enough to offer us 25 promo codes. So if you need one, then check out our stories on Instagram and get yourself the pro version for free for this app. Now before we move on to our next app, here is a quick word from our today's video sponsor, Audext. Audext is an online transcription service which can help you quickly convert audio files to text. Audext uses the machine learning to convert audio to text automatically. The transcription is fast and done automatically with the use of AI. You can convert speech to text online in just few minutes. Audext is useful for journalists or students who wants to quickly transcribe a lecture or an online audio podcast to a text file. The process is really simple, and if you sign up right now with the link in the description, you get 30 minutes trial. And here you just need to drag and drop the file, which can be an MP3, MP4A, WAV, etc. And after that, enter the speaker name, choose the language, and you also have the option to choose the speaker accent. Now sit back and relax, and in just few minutes, you will get a notification that the transcription is ready. And here you can see the converted audio file to text in real time and make changes if needed. After that, you can export the converted file into a DOC or a text format. Audext is a smart service for transcribing your speech text online. I personally use this service to convert my video scripts to text and use it on my blog, and I find it really useful. So guys, if you're interested, then do check the link in the description below and start your free trial today. Now the next app we have in our list is the TruePics. TruePics features some handpicked amazing home screen setups with all the information you need to replicate them on your phone. It shows you the information such as icon pack, launcher, widget names, and you don't need to search manually, just click on the link in the app. In the app, you can see the different home screen setups submitted by the various users, and you can also search specifically to an icon pack, widget or launcher. I personally find these setups in the app really good, and some of the setups I use in my videos are inspired by the setups in this app. Apart from these setups, there are also wallpapers in the app which are really good. There is also a Prime version of the app which lets you access premium content, and for this app, we were able to get 25 promo codes as well. So if you need one, then follow us on Instagram right now and keep an eye on stories for the promo codes. Next app we have in our list is the Burner Guard. Burner Guard will help you to take control of your data privacy by keeping a check on the apps you have installed on your phone. The UI of the app is cluttered free and very user friendly. In the app, you can see the apps installed on your phone, and they are divided further into 3 categories such as safe, extra and risky. And here you can remove the risky apps, and also if you have granted a permission to an app which it doesn't require, then it will be listed under extra. Apart from the app scanning, here you also have the option to bulk uninstall apps and also a logger which keeps a track of the permissions which you grant or deny them to an app. And lastly, you get the privacy feature, which is something similar to iOS. And here you can see the dot on the top when your phone accesses the camera or mic. Overall, Burner Guard is a must-have app on your phone these days, so definitely download this one. Next app we have in our list is the Light app. Light app provides a shortcut to access the web apps on your device. There are 100 plus web apps here such as Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. Light app allows you to use all the apps without the need of installing them on your phone. And I find this really good, as sometimes you need to use an app for a couple of times, and now instead of installing the app, you can access the app from here. Let me give you an example. I use mainly Amazon Music for songs, but if I want to access, let's say, Gaana app, now instead of installing the app, I can come over here and start using it straight away. The app also has an inbuilt switcher and the UI is very good. Overall, if you want to use an app without installing it on your phone, or if you want to have 2 accounts of WhatsApp or Facebook on your phone, then definitely check out this one. Next app we have in the list is the Equalizer and Bass Booster. We have showcased an Equalizer app last month which was good, and now this month we have even a better app which not only just has an equalizer but also a volume and a bass booster. So in this app you have a 5-band equalizer, and you can also choose from the 22 plus preset equalizer options. And as mentioned earlier, you get the bass booster, and there is also a volume booster here which works also flawlessly. So if you're looking for an all-rounder equalizer for your Android phone, then we highly recommend you to check out this app. And the last app we have in our list is the Route Planner 2020. Route Planner is a free navigation app that will help you to optimize your route planning. In this app, you can save routes as per your choice, and whenever you want to go on a particular route, just tap on it and it will open Google Maps and set the to and from point automatically. I find this app really good as I don't have to fill the details manually, especially when I'm driving my car or bike. Apart from the route planning, you also have the features such as measuring the map, find the famous places and information, and see the street view. Overall, Route Planner 2020 is a simple but a very useful app, especially if you travel a lot. So do check it out. So that's it guys, these were the 10 best new Android apps we have found for you, which you can try on your Android device. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite new app of the month in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.